can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the pieces on replay. Sit right next to you. Yeah. I try not to show how I feel about you. You is your way. You don't really want to, I just want. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tamyia, and I'm so excited for today's Temu inspired luxury and designer haul. I have a lot of purses to show you, and of course some jewelry and even a pair of shoes. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first I'm going to get started with this Gucci inspired crossbody. It is so cute and dainty. You can adjust the strap and make it long, or of course the two as so. And then you can pull them all the way in and carry it as a clutch. And this is what the print looks like. And then let me show you the inside of the bag. You take the paper out. It looks as so. Really, really cute. Absolutely love it. My next purse is this Alexander Wang inspired. And you would just hold it as so, and you see it says Wang right there. It is black. It feels really, really nice. It's the other side. That's what the strap looks like. And this one came in other colors as well. And then it also has the long strap, and it's just black with silver hardware. And let me show you the inside. It looks as so. And this feels really, really, really nice. And so the long strap would just hook onto these right here on the sides of the purse. This is really cute. I really like this, and I like how you can just carry it like that, like a lot of the girls are doing now. Or you could make it a crossbody, which I absolutely love. A really cute crossbody. The next purse I'm going to show you is actually Steve Madden inspired. And sorry about that. It's white. Looks as so. Has a SM. This is the back. You could put some money or card in there. And then there's two zippers. As so. And let me take the paper out so I can show you. There's also a strap. I love the pattern of this strap. And this is what the inside looks like. It's very well constructed, very well structured. And the straps would hook on either side. I love that it has the cream and the white. Makes it a little bit more transitional if you want to carry it into the fall, or if you want to start wearing it in the spring. This is really cute, and it came in other colors as well. Next, I have some shoes to show you, and if you are new here, everything will be linked down below in the description box. And if I can't find the exact one, I will find something similar. So these are Gucci inspired. Now I'm pretty sure I ordered either a 7.5 or an 8, but they're like maybe a size and a half too big for me. But it says 39 on the bottom. Let me show you the other one. So here we go. Again, these are Gucci inspired. The link that I clicked only had them in the black with the gold hardware and the bronzes colored stars and bees. This is what they like on the bottom. Really cute and really comfortable. Just make sure that you order the right size, because maybe it was me, you know, you never know. Now let's get into some jewelry. So if you're watching TikTok and you watched Bama Rush, which it seems like the longest, quickest week ever, the girls were wearing their E. Newton again. So these are some E. Newton inspired bracelets. Last year we really just saw a lot of gold. This year I saw the pearl and the gold. So we have our E. Newton inspired bracelets as so, and they do stretch. They can fit comfortably on anyone's arm. That's how they look on my arm. Then I have a Kendra Scott inspired necklace. Really pretty. This came in other colors. I like this a lot. This is what the clasp looks like as so. And of course, it's gold. Very cute, very dainty, very demure. And then I saw maybe 1 or 2 girls that had the heart. And I found this a heart, and it comes in other colors as well. So again, Kendra Scott inspired, and the clasp looks the same. Again, very cutesy, very demure, okay? Then something that's been very popular lately is what's called, if you Google it, it's called the paper clip necklace. I hope y'all can see. It looks as so because the chain links kind of shape a paper clip. And it's called the paper clip necklace. And this is in gold. It's really pretty. Really dainty. And I feel like I saw this in gold and silver, and this is what the clasp looks like. So, and then I saw this scrunchie. It is, and I honestly don't remember purchasing it. It is a Chanel inspired scrunchie. This is a satin material, and then it just has hardware that gives it that Chanel inspired look. Really cute. So the last thing that I purchased isn't designer inspired, but I purchased these because I needed them and I want you to see what they are. They are these little heart-shaped cord hook protectors organizers, and they come in various colors. I picked the pink, white, and blue pack as so. So basically it looks like this, and I ordered 2 and I've already opened 1. So it looks like this on the outside, and on the inside it looks as so. And I don't know about y'all, but we have cords for everything. So this is one of my smaller ones that I need, that I use. So you just slide the hook up under the inside right there, and that way you can just keep it stored nice and neat and organized. And for the larger one, of course I couldn't slide it under, but I just put it inside, and now that way you don't have a whole bunch of cords everywhere. Everything is nice and neat and organized. And again, it comes in 3 in a pack, and with a variety of colors, and I just chose this one, and this is kind of how they come. And I think I need to order 1 more. These didn't cost much at all. So if you need something like this, if you're like a very organized, minor OCD, need everything to have a home, everything to have a place, I really like this. I feel like it was a good investment. Those are all the things I have to show you in this video. I know y'all have been enjoying them. If there's anything you would like to see, please let me know in the comments down below. Again, if you're new here, everything will be linked in the description box down below. Hope you enjoyed this video and that you're having a beautiful day. Make sure you subscribe and turn on post notification, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.